unboxing, yes, but this is from Replenix. They send me PR every month for free. They reached out to me through email months ago. So this is the Replenix Anti-Aging Age Restore Nighttime Therapy Cream. So it looks like this. Ooh, looks nice. I think I have it. Or no. Yeah, this is for your neck. Never mind. Not this one. Ugh, they're so quiet. I keep burping. Okay, so. Okay, so this is the cream that they sent me. So I'm so excited. Their creams are amazing. It works very great on my skin. So this is how it looks. Ay, crap. It doesn't show well. It's blurry. Focus. Whatever, I give up. I'm gonna open it up. So it comes with a safety seal. Ooh, it's rubbery. It's not rubbery usually. To remove your makeup, like something that I smoked before. It doesn't smell bad, it's just like lemon shampoo. I don't know, like something that I smoked before. Oh, it smells good. It kind of smells good as well. Wow. So this says it combats winter dryness. So a person like me that is always dry all year long, this helps a lot more in winter time. Like right now, oh my gosh, winter time is my birthday season. My birthday is coming up. Can't believe it. And I don't want to, because when you're past 25, your time goes by quick and you feel a lot older now. I wasted a lot of years doing nothing, partly because of the pandemic, but before too. Good. You know what, I don't want to go into detail, but whatever. Oh well. It's dead silent. Anyways, I guess I'm gonna whisper. No, I don't want to whisper. Anyways, it says it reduces appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. I have a wrinkle on the fine line. Look at that big line straight. I'm trying to get rid of my fine line. Just a little one here. I hope this works for that, because I'm trying to have no freaking lines. Alright? If it's possible. If not, then I will. Okay, you know, whatever. I'm just not talk. Anyways, they also sent me this. This is gonna be an ASMR. Okay, so this is a anti-aging hyaluronic acid hydration serum. So this is for the pure serum with hyaluronic acid that quenches dehydrated dull skin for a smooth plump complexion. Oh, I just I'm so clumsy. My it felt like I lost all the it felt so you have to use these once or twice daily for topical use only. So for your face, once or 2 times. So I guess a little tiny circle time size amount. I don't, there's literally nothing, just this, so it's gonna run out quick. It's very small. This one's gonna last a lot more, so yeah, I'm excited to try these. I'm gonna use these both later, not today, I don't think, because I just used the other skincare brand. So that's pretty much it for people with dry, dehydrated skin for the winter time. That's pretty much it. So I'm so excited to try this. Thank you, Replenix. We're sending me things. Yes, that is silence. Oh my gosh, I don't like silence.